You'll get the best carpet cleaning in Surprise, Arizona. Our family-owned and operated small business specializes in professional residential and commercial carpet cleaning services. With our residential carpet cleaning service, we excel at pet odor removal problems. We get rid of most any urine and stains with our professional cleaning systems. We also specialize in commercial carpet cleaning services. All of our services are recommended by realtors and facility managers. We use eco-friendly cleaning methods that are safe for your kids and your pets. You can get any type of carpet safely cleaned: nylon, polyester, olefin, polypropylene, wool, cotton, and all types of carpet fibers. We're experienced in every method of carpet cleaning, so we'll choose the method safest for your carpet. And you get our 100% guarantee. If you're not happy, we'll return and clean it again free. All Clean Service Pros. Call 623-432-8300.